Hey, what's up everybody? I had an issue here and I ended up solving it, so I want to go ahead and make this video just in case I have this issue again. I'll look back on the video and figure it out, but also if anybody else has this issue. Okay, this is my Sony a7 IV. All right. The problem I have is that on my shutter speed right here, I try to go past 250 and guess what? I can't do it, you know? And I even have high-speed sync on my flash. Okay, this is the flash, is the Evo 200. All right, now what I didn't realize is that on your trigger, all right, on your trigger, let me go out of that. Okay, when you're back to this screen right here, on your trigger, you got to go ahead and click on sync and hold down and make that high-speed sync on your trigger. Once you do that, you're able to raise it as much as you want. Problem solved. Yeah, it took me a while to figure out. Nobody really explained it. I ended up watching this one video. He wasn't talking about that or anything like that, but he did mention that on your trigger you have to also have it on your trigger, even though you have it on your flash. I can't really remember that guy's name, but anyhow, that's how you fix it. If you have this problem, hopefully it solves it for you. But hey, it solved my problem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace out.